What's up, guys? So today we are going to try to make slime with this. And this and salt. Yeah. I'll be putting pump that. The next one I'll be putting is this. No, this. Oh my god. The last one. This is the most important one. So pretty much. I'll be right back. Okay. So bubbles. Actually. So time to mix. I'll be right back. If it's fully. Okay, it's fully mixed, so I'm just gonna get salt. Okay. I'll be right back and mix. Okay. It's already mixed. And there's already a lot of bubbles and stuff. I actually added more, so let's mix it again. Okay, let's put that over there, and see that. Okay. Let's just put it in the fridge. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. It's been a while ago since we put that in the fridge. So let's go. La 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 la. It's oh yeah. I know it was already ice. Oh, it was gross. Okay, let's so jiggly. Oops. Oh, hi. It looks like jiggly putty. Like planet putty. Jiggles. Sorry. Okay. I don't want to say I'll be right back. So jiggly. Okay. I want to try. Oh, it's so cold. It doesn't stick in my hand. Sorry. You can actually poke and it's not sticking to your hands. Like, oh my god. Let's sing this final one. Let's poke it. Oh, that's super pokey. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. So I love this liner. It's the best. I didn't say it's the beast. It said it's the best, not it's the beast. Come on. Come on, let's love slimes. And guys, oh my god, I'm actually super excited for my squishy. Oh my god. Oh my. Super pokey. I'm gonna keep this. As good as it's so cold. It's really cool. Okay. Try to if you already play it for just a while, poking it and kind of it, or it sticks to your hand. But if you do it fast, it wouldn't stick. But if you put it, that will work. Okay. Okay, let's try to play with this. Even though it's like this is so bad.